effort, dedication, work hard.
Body's broken, mind's broken, spirit's broken.
Because the talent is not enough anymore.
I started to say, what if I can pull this off?
And if you're not dedicated 100%, you're not gonna reach the level.
He looked at me and said, there's only been 35 African Americans in 70 years make it through. What if I can be the 36th?
When you had that third failure in a row, did you think, I need to pack this in?
Never.
Why not?
I don't ever give up.
It's the what if I can pull off a fucking miracle. What if I can become someone that no one thinks I can be? And just me talking about that, I have the hair going up on my arms because it makes me just like, what if?
You have to believe what you're doing is making a difference, because it fucking is.
When you die and you have your own tombstone, and,
Okay.
and it says, here lies Cristiano Ronaldo, how would you like to be remembered as a man? You could write your own tombstone.
Number one, not number 7, number 1.
You see, in the end, for you, it's all about being number one, isn't it? That's really what drives you. You don't want to be second.
No.
You don't want to be third. You
I
want to
don't
be-
know this number. I don't know that number.